Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the adaptive power mode notifications on the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. So if you want to disable the notifications that you receive from adaptive power mode or enable them, what you can do is open up the settings of your phone, and then tap on battery. So open up the battery section, then scroll down to power mode, tap on that, enable adaptive power, and then enable adaptive power notifications. So if you want the adaptive power notifications, you need adaptive power enabled. But you can also disable adaptive power notifications. So just select the option that you want, and once you've done that, that's pretty much it. So make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.